So tesa is a world-leading manufacturer and provider of adhesive tape solutions for consumer markets as well as for industries. A good portion of our products is so-called single and double-side tapes for industrial applications in various branches, like in automotive, electronics industries or general industries. And as we are growing worldwide with a good number, we are searching for expansion, especially in the Asia-Pacific market, and therefore we considered to have a second plant in Asia-Pacific beside our existing plant in Suzhou, China. And the decision was made to come to Hai Phong for setting up a new factory for industrial adhesive tape manufacturing. So you may know manufacturing adhesive tapes is putting a glue, an adhesive in a liquid form on a substrate which can be a film or a paper or a textile. And these liquids are basically chemicals, so we are a semi-chemical industry. And therefore we apply very, very high environmental standards to ensure that our manufacturing is safe internally for our workers and all our employees, as well as for the whole environment. And these standards are already established since a long time in the whole tesa group. And for Hai Phong, we used the same standards which we apply in Europe. And we found also during the permitting process that the environmental impact assessment we had to place for the construction permit was quite on the same level as we expected it for other plants in the Western countries. Beside that factors for environmental protection, we also built our factory under the so-called LEED certification process. We apply for LEED Gold level, and LEED means Leadership in Environmental Friendly Engineering and Design. And that means that beside the standards, we also apply for HVAC systems, for electrical systems, for wastewater treatment, for rainwater treatment, irrigation systems, and all what is around such a factory, up to a rooftop solar panel farm we will install soon, which provide us at least 10% of our total consumptions. Choosing our partners for building up these factories, of course, you need a couple of partners. First, it is the design companies. We call it EPCM, Engineering, Procurement, Construction Management Company. And here we partnered with the Archetype Group. We were already familiar with the Archetype Group via a project we did in Shanghai, with the branch of Archetype Shanghai. And then during the feasibility study, we already came back to Archetype Vietnam. And with them, we continued the whole process. If you once found a good partner, then it is of course worth to continue with them for successful execution of the whole project until this stage we are having today, bringing the factory into operation. With Archetype, we found a strong partner for EPCM, as I mentioned before. So we managed the installation, commissioning and testing of the factory up to now. And now we are short before the grand opening. And after grand opening, we will have a start of production, and next year we will have regular operation in our factory.